What is Dinoseb? Dinoseb is also called 2,sec-butyl, -4,6-dinitrophenol is an organic solid with a pungent odor. Its main use is as an herbicide, a substance used to kill or control plants. It is also used as an insecticide. Former product names containing Dinoseb were Basanite, Caldon, Chemix, Chemsect DNBP, Dinitro, Dynamite, Elgetal, Gebutox, Hellfire, Kiloseb, Nitropone, Premerge, Synox General, Subitex and Vertac Weed Killer. Where can Dinoseb be found and how is it used? Until 1986, Dinoseb was used in the United States to control grass and weeds in agricultural crops such as soybeans, vegetables, and other field crops, as well as fruits and nuts. It also killed insects in grapes and was used to dry seed crops. Harmful health effects, including birth defects, were experienced among people who applied Dinoseb or worked near high levels of it. How can people be exposed to Dinoseb? Since Dinoseb is no longer used, exposure from food, soil, or air is unlikely to occur. The use of Dinoseb on farms contaminated groundwater, and that could lead to exposure among some populations. How does Dinoseb work and how can it affect my health? Short-term exposure to Dinoseb causes sweating, headaches, and mood changes. Long-term exposure to Dinoseb over a lifetime causes loss of body weight and thyroid problems. It can also harm the testes and thicken the intestinal lining. There is not enough data to know if drinking Dinoseb in water over a lifetime causes cancer. How is Dinoseb poisoning treated? Medical personnel can treat the symptoms of Dinoseb poisoning and limit the effect of the exposure. What should I do if exposed to Dinoseb? If you think you were exposed to Dinoseb, remove yourself from the source and seek medical help. What factors limit use or exposure to Dinoseb? Dinoseb is banned in the United States and, therefore, exposure is very limited. Is there a medical test to show whether I've been exposed to Dinoseb? Blood and urine tests can determine exposure to Dinoseb and similar compounds.